You will never feel ready. I tell that because I spent 7 years of my life waiting for that ready moment. And this is a spoiler, it never came. When I was 24, I wanted to develop my personal brand. I had the idea, I had the desire, but every time I was looking and finding a new excuse. I have to finish my master, and then I was thinking I don't have enough money to buy the equipment, and later I thought that my life is not interesting enough. And now I'm 31, and also I have completed my master and my PhD. I moved several countries, I learned several languages, I taken jobs, I written articles, taken part in the different conferences, I got married, cleaned kitchens, cooked dinners. And now you would think, now you are ready. But just to be honest, no, I am still not ready. The busier life got, the more clear it became, you will never be ready. I realized I was waiting for the impossible moment when the stars all align together and I will have all the answers in this world. I will have all the money, all the energy, and all the time to start my personal brand. But that moment doesn't exist. 6 months ago, in the middle of what was probably the busiest season of my life, while I was writing my thesis, I was taking part in the conferences, writing articles, teaching English online, looking for a job in Norway, going to Norwegian course and teaching English at a Norwegian school, I started my TikTok and I changed my strategy in YouTube to cover more topics. I said to myself, forget it and start it now, because if I hadn't started now, I would find excuses for another 7 years of my life when I get my children and when I get my kids, and life even would become more busier and I would never do what I actually want to accomplish. So I started imperfect, overwhelmed, sad, very tired, but I started. And by now my YouTube channel has almost 4,000 followers and my TikTok has almost 3,000 followers. And here is what I have discovered. Nobody starts with 100% clarity. You don't need to start with a perfect plan, and you will not have one anyway. You figure it out as you go. When I started my TikTok, I had no idea what I will be talking about, how I should present myself, how I should talk in front of the camera. When I started, I had zero knowledge about TikTok because I never had TikTok before. I didn't know anything about building a personal brand. I just posted. I posted whatever came to my mind, whatever was happening in my life. In the beginning, I learned that if you post one time in a day, this is great. So I was posting one time in a day, and later I learned that you have to post 3 times in a day, and now I'm posting 3 times in a day. But the point is that I wouldn't have known that without even trying. And about the excuse of time, you would say that, but Muhayyo, I don't have time. I really don't have time. I have so many things to do in my life. What I have learned during these years, doing so many projects at the same time, that time is elastic. If you really want something and if something is very important for you, you will find time for it. And you don't need 3 hours, 10 hours per day to create something meaningful. You need just scraps. For example, 10 minutes while eating lunch, 5 minutes while waiting for the bus, 1 minute while the tea boils, and etc. That's exactly how I write scripts for my YouTube videos, record my TikTok videos, edit them. I squeeze time because if it matters, you will make time for it. If you're sitting there and waiting for the moment to feel ready, let me tell you what I wish I had understood at 24. Readiness doesn't come. You just create it by starting now. Don't wait for less responsibilities or more energy and more money and the perfect plan. Start where you are with what you have. Because the truth is, I was not ready also when I started 6 months ago. But during these 6 months, I grew more than during 7 years that I was waiting. And I believe that you can start and do it also.